How to turn off sensitive content on Twitter. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can turn off sensitive content on Twitter. You want to simply open up your Twitter application and make sure you're logged into your account. You should get an interface like this. Now what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, and here what you want to do is scroll down and head into settings and support, and then under settings and support you want to head into settings and privacy. Now under settings and privacy you'll get various different options. You want to head into the option that says privacy and safety. Under privacy and safety you can see various options here, right? Now here what you want to do is you can see the third option that says content you see. Decide what you see on X or Twitter based on your preferences like topics and interest. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, here you can see display media that may contain sensitive content. You can disable it or you can enable it from here. So this way you can turn off sensitive contents on Twitter. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.